Hello, my little reader. Welcome to lesson 8. Lesson 8. That's where we are. Can you believe it? And yes, our friend Earth is here with us and he is going on an amazing adventure today. Get ready to hear this one. I knew it. He is going to the bakery. Have you ever been to a bakery? Well, Earth will be taking you on that adventure today and tell you some of the things that he sees at the bakery. Are you ready? Okay, Earth sees a b-a-n. B-a-n. You do. Bun. Bun. Okay. What else? Okay. Earth sees a loaf of bread. 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 What else, Earth? Okay. Earth sees a beautiful cake. Your turn. Cake. 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 Yes, cake. This is where Earth says bye, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Of course, we have to review these sounds. We don't want to forget them. Let's go. Keep going. Well done. Earth is gone now. So, my little reader, it is time for your new sound. All right, first up, my mystery box. And I can't wait to show you what I have inside today. Get ready. What is this? It's a comb. Say comb. Comb. Put your fingers on your throat so you can feel that movement. Comb. Yes. What else is inside? I see a cap. A cap. Say cap. Cap. We wear a cap on our head. What else is inside the mystery box? A candle. Say candle. Candle. So candle, cap, and comb begin with the k sound. What sound do they begin with? Yes, the k sound. Now, which letter makes the k sound? Coming right up. This letter makes the k sound. Say k, k, k. Which animal is here now? A cat. Can you make the sound that the cat makes? Meow. Your turn. Meow. Say k, k, cat. Cat. K, k, cat. K, k, cat. This is a cat, and cat begins with k. Can you find some objects around the house that begin with k? Get going. Up and moving. Find 3 things that begin with the k sound. Pause the video and go. Okay, welcome back. We are now going to get into our workbook. For lesson 8. Let's go. Say the sound. K. Trace it. K. And color the picture of the cat. You can pause right here as you color. Now that you're finished coloring, let's find the K here. How many are here? How many of them can you see? Find all of them and circle them. Now for this bit where you're going to circle the pictures that begin with the K sound. Let's name them. This is a cow. This is a net. Here we have a star, and this is a carrot. One more time. Cow, net, star, and carrot. Circle the ones that begin with the K sound. Now that you're finished with that, it's time to write. And we're going to make the curly C. Curly K. Curl around. K. Curl around. K. Start at the red dot, of course. Go around, curl around. Start at the red dot and curl around. Well done. Keep going until you get to this last red dot. Well done, my little reader. I am super duper proud of you for working so hard. 2 thumbs up. Well done. See you in the next lesson. Bye.